Yo, HelloFresh, sponsor me. Your meal kits are too expensive, and today we won't be using a recipe, because real chefs go by feel. Let's cut these baby potatoes into baby potato cubes. It's okay, chill, you don't have to cut perfectly square cube. Just around the same size is good enough to get all this crispy brown. And I forgot to mention, today we're cooking seared Greek style shrimp with lemon potatoes and yogurt feta dip. I just want to ask, who the fuck came up with these names? It's so long. But isn't this just simply shrimp, potatoes, and salad on the side? So for the dip, we're just gonna add feta cheese, yogurt, garlic, and lemon juice. And trust me, it's actually kind of sour, but at the same time, it's kind of good. Mix it into homogeneous and squirt some lemon all over it. At this point, we're just improvising. A circle of oil on the pan to start, and we're gonna wait till that red nipple becomes fully red. Then dumpster those shrimp in there. I gotta say, the ingredients that HelloFresh gives you is actually pretty fresh. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting more HelloFresh videos since I got 4 boxes of these. After like a minute of being naked on the pan, we can add some lemon pepper on top. These shrimps cook extremely fast, so make sure to not overcook it, or else it will taste like your dad's shoe, chewy and rubbery. Don't ask me how I know, trust me. Back to the table, we go work at our salad. Drizzle some olive oil on top and make it feel expensive. Pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix it with your hands or tongs, I don't care. End result will still be the same, it's just a salad. Just in time for the potatoes to come out. We're gonna mix it with the vegetable glaze thing and start plating. I just want to say that potato is not my favorite starch. I'd rather have rice. If you like rice too, you could check out my fried rice video, link on the top right of the screen. I did a Big Mac fried rice, and next I want to do McNuggets for McDonald's. Comment below and let me know if I should do that. It's always a blast talking to you guys in the comment section, so let me know if you guys have anything in mind and would like to see me attempt to make. To top it off, we're gonna add a little squeeze of lemon, and we can finally do our taste test after 30 minutes of hard work. It is a solid 3 out of 5 fresh. Should you buy it? Maybe, but you should always fry rice instead. See ya.